Today, we will talk about average return. This is the simple mathematical average of a series of returns over a specified period of time. The average return is the simple mathematical average of a series of returns generated over a specified period of time. An average return is calculated the same way that a simple average is calculated for any set of numbers. The numbers are added together into a single sum, then the sum is divided by the count of the numbers in the set. There are several return measures and ways to calculate them. For the arithmetic average return, one takes the sum of the returns and divides it by the number of return figures. The average return tells an investor or analyst what the returns for a stock or security have been in the past, or what the returns of a portfolio of companies are. The average return is not the same as an annualized return, as it ignores compounding. One example of average return is the simple arithmetic mean. For instance, suppose an investment returns the following annually over a period of 5 full years: 10%, 15%, 10%, 0%, and 5%. To calculate the average return for the investment over this 5-year period, the 5 annual returns are added together and then divided by 5. This produces an annual average return of 8%. Another example is when we look at the average return of Walmart over the years 2014 to 2018. The simple growth rate is a function of the beginning and ending values or balances. It is calculated by subtracting the ending value from the beginning value and then dividing by the beginning value. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a company and the stock price increases from $50 to $100, then the return can be calculated by taking the difference between $100 and $50 and dividing by $50. The answer is 100%, which means you now have $20,000. When looking at average historical returns, the geometric average is a more precise calculation. The geometric mean is always lower than the average return. One benefit of using the geometric mean is that the actual amounts invested need not be known. The calculation focuses entirely on the return figures themselves and presents an apples-to-apples comparison when looking at two or more investments' performances over various time periods. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. The average return is the simple mathematical average of a series of returns generated over a specified period of time. 2. The average return can help measure the past performance of a security or portfolio. 3. The average return is not the same as an annualized return, as it ignores compounding. 4. The geometric average is always lower than the average return. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.